Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Fortnite on Xbox with keyboard and mouse without a controller. First, connect a compatible USB keyboard and mouse, or use a supported wireless adapter, then enable keyboard and mouse in system settings if needed. Next, adjust Fortnite input and sensitivity settings for aiming and movement. Finally, test in a practice match and fine-tune bindings until controls feel natural and responsive for building and combat. Let's dive into the in-game settings and get you feeling comfortable fast. Start by switching Fortnite to keyboard and mouse input, then lower your sensitivity so you can micro-adjust while aiming. Rebind building and editing keys to positions that feel natural for quick access. Spend time in creative mode, practicing ramps and edits. Small tweaks to DPI and in-game sensitivity will make a big difference in your consistency and speed. To keep your gameplay smooth, prioritize low latency and responsiveness. Use wired peripherals when possible and minimize background apps or overlays that can add input lag. Keep your Xbox on performance mode and consider lowering visual settings if frame rate drops affect aiming. Regularly practice aim and building routines in creative mode, focusing on consistent key presses and movement. Over time, deliberate practice turns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.